Chemical properties of metals. In the earlier session, we have learned about physical properties of metals. Now we will learn about chemical properties of metals. The objectives of this session is to make you understand about chemical property, the chemical properties of metals, how metals react with oxygen present in air, amphoteric oxides, how metals react with water, how metals react with dilute acid, how metals react with salt solutions, and reactivity series. Let us first understand what chemical property is. Chemical property: the ability of a substance to undergo any change by resulting to a new substance is called chemical property. The chemical properties of metals can be divided as reaction of metals with oxygen present in air, reaction of metals with water, reaction of metals with dilute acids, reaction of metals with salt solutions. Let us see each one elaborately. Chemical reaction of metals when react with air. Almost all metals combine with oxygen to form metal oxides. The word equation is metal plus oxygen gives metal oxide. As metal oxides are basic in nature, they turn red litmus to blue. The vigorous reaction of metals with oxygen depends on the chemical reactivity of metal. For example, when sodium metal reacts with oxygen at room temperature, it forms sodium oxide. Hence, to prevent sodium reaction with oxygen, moisture, and carbon dioxide, it is stored under kerosene. The chemical equation is 4 sodium molecules, that is, 4 Na, and 1 oxygen molecule, that is, O2, combine at room temperature. It gives 2 Na2O, that is, sodium oxide. Let us see another example for reaction of metals with oxygen. Here, when we heat copper in air, it combines with oxygen to form copper oxide, that is, a black oxide is formed. The chemical equation is 2 copper molecules, that is, 2 Cu, and 1 oxygen molecule, that is, O2, heated. It gives 2 CuO, that is, copper oxide. Some important points to remember when reaction of metals with oxygen. Metal oxides are insoluble in water, but some of these dissolve in water to form alkalis. For example, sodium oxide and potassium oxide dissolve in water to produce alkalis such as. The chemical equation is sodium oxide, that is, Na2O, it is in the solid state, and water, that is, H2O, it is in the liquid state, are combined to form 2 molecule of sodium hydroxide, that is, NaOH, it is in the form of aqueous state. Potassium oxide, that is, K2O, it is in the solid state, and water, that is, H2O, it is in the liquid state, are combined to form 2 molecule of potassium hydroxide, that is, KOH, it is in the form of aqueous state. In general, all metals do not react with oxygen at the same rate. Different metals show different reactivities towards oxygen. Like, metals such as potassium and sodium react so vigorously with oxygen, if kept in the open place. Hence, to protect them, and to prevent accidental fires, they are kept immersed in kerosene oil. Gold and platinum do not react with oxygen even at high temperatures. Let us do an experiment to understand reaction of metals with oxygen, that is air. Take a sample of magnesium wire. Hold the sample taken with a pair of tongs, and try burning over a flame. Magnesium reacts with oxygen present in the air, producing an extremely bright flame along with magnesium oxide. The chemical equation is 2 molecules of magnesium, that is, 2 Mg, and 1 molecule of oxygen, that is, O2, are combined to form 2 molecules of magnesium oxide, that is, 2 MgO. Here, one should be cautious while doing the experiment. The activity needs the teacher's assistance. It would be better if students wear eye protection while burning the magnesium wire.